In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate account with Liquid Web Hosting. If you're looking to earn some extra income by promoting a reputable hosting service, then this is the perfect place to start. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, when you start, you'll find yourself redirected to create a free account with Impact. If you already have an account, just log in. Impact is the platform that Liquid Web uses for their affiliate management. It's an integral part of the process because it's here that all your affiliate links and commission tracking will be managed. So take a moment to either log in or set up a new account if you haven't done so already. Once inside Impact, the next step is to find the Liquid Web offer. Once there, you'll want to click on Apply or Join. This step is crucial because it's where you express your interest in becoming an affiliate for Liquid Web. When you're applying, you'll be required to provide some details about yourself and your promotional methods. This typically includes basic information about your website, how you plan to promote the hosting service, and some business information. Be honest and thorough here, as this information is what Liquid Web will use to decide on approving your application. After filling out all the required fields, it's time to hit that submit button. Once you've submitted your application, there is a waiting period for approval. Liquid Web will review the information you've provided and get back to you with their decision. Upon approval, it's time to get hands-on with your Impact dashboard. This is where you'll obtain your unique affiliate link. Your dashboard will have a section where you can either get the link directly or create a custom tracking link. Additionally, you can download any promotional creatives they provide. These materials can be very helpful in making your promotional efforts more effective, so be sure to access them. Now, an important business consideration, getting paid. You'll need to add your payout and tax details to your Impact account. This ensures that when you start generating commissions, there's a seamless process for you to receive them. Accuracy is key here, so make sure all your information is correct and up to date. With everything set up, test your tracking link to ensure that it's working correctly before you start sharing it. Once confirmed, add this link to your website or social media platforms where you plan to promote Liquid Web Hosting. Monitoring is crucial, so keep an eye on your clicks and conversions through the Impact dashboard. This data will give you insights into how well your campaigns are performing and where you might need to make adjustments. For those joining as agency partners, there's an option to apply to Liquid Web partners through PartnerStack, where you'll follow their specific onboarding process. And if you're an existing Nexus customer, you can still get involved by using the Refer a Friend area in your client portal to grab a personalized referral link. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to successfully becoming a Liquid Web affiliate. Best of luck with